If you are struggling to add hair when braiding, don't worry, in this video I'll be showing you 3 methods you can use, but I will recommend the last one, so please watch. The first one is just for you to place it. This is the one we'll be using for a very long time. This one I will call it the outdated method, but it's easy for a beginner. So if you find the other 2 methods difficult, you can start with this one, but with time you will know the rest. So this one, you just place the hair you want to add on top of the braid, on top of the place you stop, where you want to add it, where you want to add the hair from, you just place it on top. So you just put it on top and braid. So it will show a line that you added hair, but it will still be okay. But this second method is the opposite of the first one. This one, you place it at the bottom down of the hair. You know, the other one will place it on top, but this one will place it from under. That's the bottom of under. That's the opposite of the first one. So this one, it will not show, but it will still look a bit. It will still be obvious a bit. It will still be obvious just a bit, anyways. But I will recommend the last one. So you see this one, I added hair, but you see the difference between the first one and the second one. The second one is definitely better. So if you're also struggling to do this, if you are struggling to get the last method, definitely I'm not sure the second method will be hard for you. So I would prefer you use the second method instead of you to use the first method, because the first method will not give you a blend and beautiful hair just like the second one and the third one. So this third one is the trendy one and the most beautiful one. So this one you won't even know at all. This one is invisible. So you just have to place the hair you want to add in between the left hand side and the right hand side of the braid. So what you just do here, what you do, you place it in between the left hand side of the braid and the right hand side of the braid, depending on, even though you are left-handed or right-handed person, you can use any hand, you can use any side, it will still work. So you make sure the hair you want to add is below the braid in the right hand side. You understand? Because I'm a right-handed person, so I'm using the right hand side. So you just watch how I'm going to do it. So you can see the hair I'm adding now is below the right hand side. That's the place I'm starting from. So then from there you twist gently alongside with the hair that you were braiding before. So definitely watch and see. You'll be amazed. You won't even see traces. So I used the same color before. I couldn't even see. I was not able to recognize it. So you won't be able to know the place I added the hair. So the video will not be, you won't be able to differentiate it. So that was why I decided to use another color to do the same video. So this color, I use color 33. So you can see where I added the hair in the third method. So you see it's not even obvious at all. If I used the same color that I was using to the same color all through, you won't even know. So you see how beautiful it is. So that's why I'm recommending the third method. If you want to have a blend and beautiful braid, please use the third method. You will be glad you did. So if you are finding the third method difficult, you can stick to the second method, but I would recommend the second or the third. Don't even try the first. The first one is outdated and it will not give you a smooth and beautiful blade. If you find this video interesting, please follow and share. Thank you. And please subscribe too. Bye bye.